Almost there. All right, boom. I am live on my other stuff here. All right. Guys, real quick, let me pray us into this call. Heavenly Father, we thank you, we praise you, we honor you for a day like this. We thank you for blessing us to see another day. Thanking you for waking us up once again this morning and continuing to be a blessing to others, Heavenly Father, as we progress through this trading journey. We ask you will continue to help us be prosperous and grow upward and forward instead of backwards and down. And we will forever give you the praise and the honor. Thank you for those who are coming, those who are open minded enough to receive the information, and continue to bless me with the knowledge and the wisdom to be able to give exactly what it is that I give, and that's of myself to the world as we go forward. In the name of Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen. All right. Y'all can say amen. Y'all can say amen. Say amen now, church. Come on now. Show enough. All right. All right, let me go here and then let's kick. Y'all let me know if the music is too loud so I can adjust my volume as I always have to for some strange reason. Is my microphone okay today? Am I clear?
You're good.
All right. How's the music volume?
Everything's good. Let's go.
All right, let's roll then. Let's let's rock. Let me see who we got on this count this morning. Good morning, Yvette, Raleigh, Dietrich, Claudia, Chiquita,
Good morning.
Belva. Good morning. Claudia, of course, good morning. All right, so this is what I'm looking at, guys. I'm looking for the market. The 830 movement is happening. NZD CAD, I like it. If you want to take a sell on NZD CAD, I would sell NZD CAD down to 83453. Let's set the alert down to 8345. Let's take it to 457 NZD CAD. I need a new notebook. I have run out of pages on my notebook. Oh man, that's crazy. NZD CAD, NZD CAD. And that is how many pips is that from where it is now? That's about 11. Cool. So we're talking about 11, 83570. So 83570. What is my alert to? 83. I can't see it now. Oh, because I got that on there. 83457083457. 45. Okay, so that's like 1345. That's 12. 12 pips. All right. Gold was 1955 to 1953. We are already in the range for gold. Oh, guys, I didn't see that. Oh, that's sweet. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Akita? Daryl, what's up, partner? I see you out there, player. So we taking NZD CAD to here, 83457. If you're just getting on the call, we're in a sale. You can market execution if you want to get in that sale. If you don't, fine. But we're taking NZD CAD down to 083457. You still got like 10 pips to go. So there's a 10 pipper for you, 10 pip and dip. I do believe NZD CAD is going to come down the screen some more today, based on the 1, the 5, and the 15. However, the 30 and the well, no, not the 30. 1 hour is giving me like mixed signals with that. But let's see which way it's going to play out. So I am in a sale on NZD CAD. That sale was originally called. Oh, we hit on thank you guys. You're welcome. Your compound trade hit. You welcome. Amen. Compound trade down. What was that? 9 minutes from start to well, not even nine. It activated 1, 2, 3, 4. How about 3 minutes? How about 3 minutes for your compound trade? Huh? 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 All right, guys. Um, who hit on a compound trade? Holler at me. Come on, I'm mute. If you didn't hit on the compound trade, I want to know why.
I had to check it out.
All right, that's progress. Oh wow, that was neat. Yeah, I actually did a. This is funny. So I did a compound. I used the compound trade for like this account where I just had like it was no, I think it was probably like $20 in that account. I said I'm gonna do the compound trade that one too. Of course, it hit. That was awesome. I was like, why not? Might as well use it. It's there. Of course, I hit on my nicer accounts. That's what I'm checking now. Everything that I had in, which was a lot. Okay. So, which way do you believe the market is going this morning? Like, which way do you think is going to, you know, which way you think is going to swing? Anybody? Want to take a stab at it? As far as gold is concerned, let me go back to gold. Which way do you think gold is going to go today? Like the PPI didn't do so they revert. First of all, before you answer that, they traded places on this one. Like last 3 months, the PPI report is the report that does like more than the CPI. Yesterday, the CPI went crazy and kept going crazy, like for the rest of the day. Like if you look at NZD CAD alone, look at this buy up. This is ridiculous. Look at this, straight up in the sky. All it bought like that all day, right? But I think it's peaking out. That's my thought on that. Um, for a minute, and I think it's coming right back down this whole train. It's got some ground to cover. I did. How many people saw my illustration this morning with the head and shoulders pattern? Anybody on the call see that?
I did.
Mm. What did you think about it?
It helped with my understanding a little bit more because I'm still trying to get familiar with the shoulders.
Okay. Yep. So I made sure I drew it all across the board, right? Everywhere I saw a head and shoulders pattern, I drew it. And I think I was on the day chart when I did that. Like if I go to the day chart right now on this particular thing, you kind of can see several head and shoulders patterns in here. I mean, they're obvious. Here's one right here. This one, if it pans out, right? If it does pan out to sell down through these EMAs, then this will be a really good head and shoulders pattern. Not down here though. I mean, this is the day chart. I'm not looking for it to come down to 16 anything, but just where the start of it is in the 1800s, I like that. We're talking about the day chart though. So, with my strategy, guys, I'm looking at where the market could possibly go. Now, it's throwing me simply because now it's pulling back. That's why I didn't give any trades because I wanted to make all of its adjustments now. I wanted to do all what it's going to do now, and then we can start getting into it. See, we got a lady with a dress right here. So I do believe price is going to come right back down to 1952.44. We can put in a pending order sale 1954 to 53. Yeah, let's do that. 54 to 53 for gold. That one hit already. Gold 1954, 1953. Now, the Dow Jones. That one is about the 1954. Okay, it ain't activated yet. It hasn't activated yet. 1954 to 53. So, what was my thought? US 30. I do believe the Dow Jones is going to hit like it's going back to that 900 range, guys. That's what I believe. I'm silent because I'm looking at it. I'm looking at this market going back and forth. But there is a lady with a dress right there. Anybody don't know what I'm talking about? About lady with a dress? Anybody not heard my calls talking about the lady with the dress and my mom with them skirts on and all that? Eh? Oh, everybody knows what lady in dress is. Okay. Hey, drop some information in the chat. Let everybody know that we're live because this ain't it. I know some people are on another call. I got it. But this ain't it, boo boo. So let the folks know I'm live now because they think 9 o'clock is it. I don't know. I can't even type. Let's see. Rich private. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, so 1954 to 53 is your first gold trade um after the compound. So everybody should have hit on the compound. Did everybody get the compound? Who didn't get the compound this morning? Because I posted it early enough. Good morning, Wanda, Tori, Tiara, Makita. Hey, now what's going on, Delilah?
I didn't get it. Where did you post it?
It's posted in alerts on the alerts channel. Do you have the alerts channel?
I do not.
Okay. Put in our chat that you request to be on in the alerts channel. Who are you on the team with, Riley?
Dr. LA.
Oh. Well, all right.
I used to be on the alerts channel, but for some reason I don't see it anymore.
Really?
I guess that's why I've been confused in the chat.
Oh, I wonder what's going on with that. Yeah. Yeah, that compound, the compound is for real. I gave 1955 to 53 this morning, and I gave it early enough to where profits should have been made. I see some people posting, some not. I'm just curious now. This thing fell out of my box here, and I'm going to talk about a few things today. Let me look at levels real quick. NZD CAD. Wow, this thing is still buying. See, this one is throwing me a little bit because even levels had NZD CAD selling, and I have a engulfing candle in this block, like on a 4-hour chart, I believe. Yeah, that one right there. That's an engulfing bullish candle, and even this is calling for that same thing. The issue is when I look at the currency strength meter, NZD and CAD are like one and the same. There's no difference in strength. Let me see when it updates. Yep, still no difference in strength. Now this wouldn't be. This is a no-brainer. What do you think GU is doing right now? Anybody? What do you think GU is doing? I'm not even going to pull it a chart up until you tell me what you think is doing based on the strength.
Bye.
Buying. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at GBP USD. And it is strongly buying. It is seriously buying. That's the 4-hour chart, right? Because of the strength. So I wish they did this for gold, man. So I can get an idea of what gold strength is. But remember how I talk about that long candle and how price always goes back and eats up that candle? I believe gold is going to come all the way back down to 1934, guys, because if it starts on a trajectory south, let's say, let me set some markers. Here we come. I'm gonna set the next marker here. Let me set the next marker about 1953.29. Okay. Alert. Create alert. 1953.29. Okay. I want all right. I want it to alert me when it gets to that point. So, and it's barely gonna make any noise on here, but that's why I like using this because it's a loud alarm. 1953.29. So right there. Let me set it on here. I knew it's gonna sound off. Okay. When price gets here, I believe we're gonna not only capture the lady with a dress, but we're going down to that next level of support down to 1949.309. Okay. That's where I believe we're going. Good morning. Good morning. Those who are just joining. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Dr. Cristal? Wait a minute. Ain't you in Cancun?
I'm back.
Oh, wow.
I am back.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Oh
Look,
my God, y'all. My body is tired.
it looks like you had a blast, though.
But that zip lining and all the stairs, my legs are done. I ain't never think I was gonna walk that. Like it wasn't steps. Like oh, I'm walking a straight line. No, we walked literal stairs. I felt like I was a firefighter going up ladders and stuff. It was so much fun.
That's cool. That's cool. Was it a lot of you guys there?
From the team, it was probably 8 of us,
Okay, because
and then all the rest were like Matt's team and his team. So in total, maybe about 150, 200 at the most.
oh wow.
But not 150 people.
Oh, that was cool. I saw what's her name? What's her name? The one who set up the room down in Florida. What's her name?
Oh, Latoya.
I saw Latoya. Yeah.
That girl had me rolling. When I tell you, she was one of the people when we got on the zip line. She was screaming before she took off. She sat down because you have to sit before you go forward and across. You screaming on the sit. It was so funny.
Wow. All right. Well, welcome back. I'm glad you had a great time.
Thank you.
Guys, I have a dilemma.
Dive in.
I have a dilemma with NZD and I'll tell you why. It's sitting on a doji. Y'all know how I feel about them dojis, right? It's sitting on the doji on the 5, on the 15, and on the 30, which means that's really nothing yet. But I don't know, man. See, it already covered the lady with the dress here. So it's either going to come down. If it drops down below this level here, she coming downtown. That's the way I see it. We got a whole 6 minutes and left in the hour already. Golly, 8:30 went and gone. It's gone. But you all know my strategy, and this is set up real nicely for that whole 3 finger, 4 finger move, man. New Zealand. I'm starting to like NZD simply because it moves, man. I didn't think currency pairs move like that. I mean, I know they do, but I didn't think that moved like that. And let's look at GBP USD. So I always use this as my alternate. Let's see, let's look at it on the 1 hour. So it's pulling back now. On the 15, though, it's not. See all these wicks, all these dojis here. It looks like it still has a little bit of buy momentum to go to this next level on the Fibonacci 1.31133. So let's keep an eye out on this one. I'll put an alert here on GBP USD. Nope, not on the 15-minute chart. I won't though. I'm going to put that at 130,809. 130,809. 809, right about 807 work. Okay, 809 gave it to me. So I want to watch not I want to watch GBP USD also for the buy. Um Let me see if it's going to sell at all based on EMAs. Yeah. Wow. Wow. That's another one that's setting up for ooh. Oh my. Oh, we need to watch this sucker for the sale soon. Wait a minute, player. Hey, how many charts was that? That's one, two, three, four, five, six. Y'all, oh heck no. GBP, you ain't finna fool me.
Let's go. Let's go.
You ain't finna fool me with this tomfoolery. Oh yeah, we shoot. What the heck? What the flip florin flipping? Hold on, let me move this. Screw that. I want to go right there. Let's see. I want to know if it's gonna sell. Hold on. Oh, let me go back to the currency strength meter. What is up with that? That is weird. All right, let me refresh this. What the Stuttgart? Oh, the USD is gaining a little strength. That's why. That's why. But this sucker's at full strength. But my fingers are set up. Let me look at Wolf Rush. GBP USD. Huh. Let's look at the 1 hour. Oh no, it's still saying buy on Wolf Rush. Big time. Let's see, 4 hour. Oh wow, this sucker's saying buy. Like, like what's that group in sync? It's saying buy. Huh. Yeah. You saw that right here? That candle? Uh-huh. 1 hour. Oh yeah, they in for the buy. All right, let me look at SEDK then. What the bank's doing there? Oh, they in for the what is this? What is this in for, Dana?
Bye bye.
A buy? SEDK?
According to the bank.
All right, let's look at gold then. I mean, I don't want to be mistaken. Hold on. What is gold in for?
A sale with the bank.
Okay. All right.
And there's silver markers.
They're who? Oh, right here.
Yeah, it's more than three. Sometimes when it's just one, it reverses, but it's more than I mean it's three in a row, right? That,
What markers are you talking about?
the boxes, the bank boxes.
Oh, yeah, it's three of them.
There's a little pullback, that little dot that keeps popping up.
Yeah, right here.
There.
Yeah. Let's pull back.
Yes, infusion.
And this okay. Educate me on this mug because this LA got this one down to a science, man. I'm still learning Wolf Rush. I know levels pretty well. um, so when I look at levels, let's see, NZDK. Let's look at that one, and I'm gonna look at GU.
Good morning, Chef Boy, y'all.
What's up, Bodega? There she is.
Good morning.
It's Bodega Coffee.
Yes, you had quite a call on Sunday, huh?
Oh man, yeah. Let's all right.
With my boys.
Yeah, man. Hey, how many of you guys want to call Sunday with Oren? Man, that was, I mean, it's so cool. Evelyn did this. Evelyn introduced me to Oren properly. And we have since then, been in communication with each other. So I think it's phenomenal. And for him to talk about my brain, not that I don't downplay myself. I ain't that dude. But I'm not an I am educator. I'm your educator, right? So for him to like for real. Like I've been with y'all. I've been with y'all. I'm y'all educator, point blank, right? That's what I do. I come here and I educate the peoples, my peoples. So with that, let's look at but I just thought it was pretty cool how even Oren was like, Man, chef, your brain, I was like, wow. My man, I heard that, Harry. And Chiquita, I'm gonna explain the lady in the dress in a minute. Right now I'm looking at this pullback on gold. I'm not really feeling all this pullback that it's doing. I don't like it. I need you to come down here, gold. Stop playing with me. Gold has some ground to break, man. And when gold breaks this ground, I'm gonna be very pleased because I do believe it will come down the ladder, right? I did find an engulfing, another engulfing candle too on the 1 hour. Where is that candle? Look like I can't find. Oh, maybe I'm off. Hold on. I think I'm way off. Hold on. It may have been on a 4 hour. Let's go back. Oh yeah, it was this candle right here. I just didn't mark it low and high right there. This candle right here. But on the 1 hour, I like it even better because this candle right here is the real deal. But the problem is, see that wick? That wick keeps it from being a true engulfing candle. That wick right there, that little bitty wick, because it's below the body. So I'm gonna stick with this one. This is my engulfing candle. This is the full candle. This and this is the full candle on the 4 hour chart. So um, what generally happens with the engulfing candle is price will. Oh, and I wanted to show y'all this today. This is what I wanted to show you. Oh man, I almost forgot. So y'all, I drew this right here. You'll see this engulfing bullish, I mean bearish candle here. This red one, right? You see how big the space is. Well, again, it does not mean that price is going to sell or buy. It just you got to look at the direction in which the market is going in. So if the market is buying, that's the direction to travel, regardless. Well, when it does buy and open and close above this, then you can actually take price the amount of the body of this candle. I mean, of the whole portion of this candle. I don't even need to measure to 1902 to 1927. That's 25, right? So let's say we got right to this candle right here. This was our change candle, and it reversed. But we say we bought on that candle. Let me just show you what happens. You bought on this candle here. It opened and closed. Boom. It took you out of profit. Then it put you in profit. Let's go to 25 right there. So, right in the middle of this area, you got your 25 points. Right? Isn't that amazing? That's pretty much how that engulfing strategy. That's what I always see. And I taught this on my other class how it moves, congruently with the market based on how long that candle is. So now we have a little block. We got a block from 1961 to 56. So we're talking about 50 points. So now I'm looking for a price either to open. If it opens and closes below this line, I'm looking for 5 points below it. If it opens and closes above the line, I'm looking for 5 points above it because it gave us another engulfing candle. So that's why I'm like, we cool right now. We cool. But NZD CAD is buying for some reason. It did not finish out that first move. Let me look at it on here. Woo. Oh, GBP USD. Yeah, it did. So it did push up, but it ain't done. Once it's finished this buy, it's definitely coming back down. All the other charts say it. All right, let's look at gold. I want to look at NZD CAD though. So it hit the 1618. Is this the one I said it was sitting on a doji? Yeah, NZD CAD. So it can't sit on that doji. That's why it's buying up. It wants to go up there and close that doji. So let's look at it on the one. NZD CAD right here at my alert, which means now it's probably going to go ahead and hit the 2618 if it has room. It doesn't look like it has a lot of room to do that. but definitely coming back up to this line. So everything is in like I don't know reverse mode, just waiting on the market to give me what it needs. Let me look at this real quick. Yeah, this is way out of sync. It's just doing stuff now. I believe it's just doing stuff because like gold is definitely going to sell. I got gold once it crosses this 50, it starts coming in this direction, and then I believe gold is going to like tank some more. Um, the lady with a dress. So when I look at dojis, I always notice how price comes back and closes or covers the doji, no matter where it is. Like if a doji is too high or too low, price always comes back and closes that doji. So I started naming it a lady with a dress just as an analogy um, to like figuratively. Um, I wanted to give like a visual of something that you will remember, right? So I was talking about my mom and we would go down to Arkansas. That's where my mom is from. Marana, little town in Arkansas, right outside of Forest City. And we have a lot of land down there, but it was dirt roads for years before my uncle put gravel down. It was a dirt road that we would leave my grandmother's house, walk out of her house. My uncle's house was literally across the dirt road. I'm talking like a dirt road for one and a half cars to fit. So it wasn't like a wide road. So my uncle's house was right across from there. And then my aunt Aunt Frances' house, her house was behind my uncle's house, but up a little further on the dirt road than Aunt Baby. Her house was way in the back, like way back there behind the. It's almost like the cotton fields right there. So it's behind the field where Aunt Baby's house was. Well, I noticed every time we went down south, my mom and my aunts out of St. Louis would change and put on either they would put on these long dresses all the way down to their feet, just about right. So when I saw this, I was like, "You got them old chicken sweep dresses. They're trying to sweep them chickens." That's why he's called it. So I started naming the doji the lady with the dress based on my mom and my aunts and how Price has to come and cover them ankles and them feet like they dresses did. That's where they came from. So Price would come here and like cover the knees and say, "Oh no, we coming back. We got to cover them ankles." So when you see a doji, most of the time you're going to see Price come down and close that doji, right? Whether it's up or down, Price is coming back for it. Like this one even makes me a little leery because gold still can buy up because it left a fat doji at 1963, right? So gold could buy up to that doji, to the point of that doji, and then come back down after it closes it. I just don't know the direction of travel that is going to determine, during that time. But I do know it's going to close that sucker eventually. And let me look at it as a regular candle. Yeah, it's a doji. That's a doji either way it goes. Regular candle, Hikanachi candle is a doji. So now I'm looking for if price does do right now it looks like a break and retest. That's all it looks like, it's breaking to retest the buy for gold. Um, if it in fact does that, we're going to take gold 1960 to 61. So go ahead and put that in. Get ready for that one. 1960 to 61. And that'll be for your gold. And that one is active. 1960. Take that one to 1961. All right. So if that's the case, gold will buy up. Hit that. There's two dojis actually here. There's one here and one here. I didn't even notice this one. So the first one is 1961.59. The second one is 1963.73. So we'll take it to 1961, 1960 to 1961. to see if it really does go up there to cover those knees with the lady. And that's on the 1 minute. So it can be a while before it does it, but I know it's going to cover. Then it's got to come down and cover this one below us at 1954.9, and then another one down here at 1952.47. So either way it goes, gold has to go both ways to cover the knees and the ankles of those dojis, right? So that's why when you're like in a trade and you're like, man, I'm in the wrong way, you got choices, of course. Use risk management. So you can either let that one go, and then when you see it coming back to the area, get back in to get it to that area where that doji is, or if you if your lot size is comfortable enough to your account, then you can stay in that trade till it does a reversal to come back and get those doji. But that's what it generally does. I mean, I can like illustrate this all day long. This is a doji. Price came over here and closed that doji. This was a doji. Price came down and closed that doji. This was a doji. Price came up and closed that doji. I mean, this is like all day. I can literally just keep pointing them out. But price came back. There was a doji right here. Price came back way, yep, right here. This one right here closed that doji and this doji. This doji was closed by all of this. I'm gonna show you one more, then that's it. That's enough. There was a baby doji. It's a baby doji. Let me see if it got closed when. Oh, okay. It got closed the other day. This doji way over here. This little doji right here, this little red one. All right. Notice the price is at 1963. Well, where did price go? 1963.405 to close that doji. That's crazy, right? It literally went up there just to close that doji out. Then it came right back down. That was it right there. 1963.73. Then it came back down. Now it's going back to close that doji at 1963. So we're in profit on that 1960 to 1961 for gold. Then you're going to take 1961 to 62 right after that. Okay. Hmm? Oh, yeah. Okay, good. All right. Next, you're going to take 61 to 62. So just let it pull back. And then we'll get in at 61. And then we'll take 61 to 62. Quite easy, right? Real easy day today. I'm not going to go crazy, okay? All right. We ain't doing all that today. But we will catch this opening bell and then we'll be done. We will be done today. 1962 is our next TP. And then 1963 is the final up here somewhere. All right, NZD CAD, it crossed for that buy. All right, NZD CAD did cross for that right there, that doji. Okay, and I believe, like I said, it's going to shoot up here to 2618. And once it does that, I believe it's going to come crashing back down. So just keep your eye out on NZD CAD. And then gold. See, I got gold going to 1963 total back up here. 1963. Okay, so where's my TP? Modify. 1963. All right, got it. All right, so 1962 is the next one. Then we got 1963. All right, and I got too many alerts. I can't set any more on here. So I'll set alert here at 1962. I mean, yeah, because we're taking 61 to 62, right? All right, cool. All right, no need to watch that. Let's look at US 30. Let's go on to my friend over here to see which way it wants to go. Hmm. All right, so we got our 9:15 candle. What's my 9 o'clock candle look like? Sell, sell. Man, if this is boy, look, if this candle turns out to be a sell candle, y'all, it's gonna be on and popping. It's gonna be on and popping. All right, US 30 may sell at the bell if this stay. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna wait for that candle to close though. Then I'll know. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Riley, you in Little Rock? Where? Where in Little Rock? I got a lot of family in Little Rock. My meal. Good morning, everyone. You know, you know where? What's the hospital downtown? Um, Jeez. What's that real large hospital downtown Little Rock? Yeah, my cousin used to work there. Hmm. And lives my aunt Ruby lives down the street from there. She the exit right before the hospital exit. You get off that exit, you make a right. It's a is that a fish place or barbecue place? I'm trying to think of. It's in this little plaza, and it's this little night spot. My cousin loves to go there. It's around the corner from my aunt's house, my auntie house. Um, so yeah, I got a lot of family in Little Rock though, like a lot. It's a ton of them down there. Most of them are Lockharts. So if you know any Lockharts, those are my cousins. I don't care who the Lockhart is, they my cousin. Like straight up. Oh, Little Rock, we got us good old country gal on the call. What's up, there, gal? Let's see who else we got on here today. Oh, Auntie Shirley. Hey, Auntie Shirley. I guess I got to look at. I guess I guess I got to look at old ugly Nas since you on the call. No, no, no. I know I got to look at Nas. I already know you want to look at Nas. I already know. Nas, I got Nas selling, ain't he? I got Nas selling. Mhm. All right. Oh, you get what? You too proper to have Little Rock. You talk like this all the time, all you Californians. Well, all right. All right. Well, let's look at some NAS real quick for 423. 423. I don't like that. 430. Is that 430? Yeah, 430. 430, 420 for NAS. NAS is going to be a sell, and that's 15 430. Take profit 15 420 on NAS. Okay. Gold. We did a gold buy at 1960 to 1961. That one hit. Um, let's see. We got 11 minutes to the bell. We also have a gold 1961 to 1962. And then we have a gold 1954 to 53 for the sale. So let's see. And then let's go with US 30. Let's look at that. Now, you don't have to take all these trades, guys. Don't play yourself now. Because some of these are powerful. They go the wrong way. You're gonna be mad as all get out. But take the one that suits you, right? Take the pair that suits you best. So let's look at US 30. We're gonna take US 30. Um, Oh, that's a good one. 450 to 440. Yeah, 450 to 440 for US 30 alert. All right, we're about to activate on gold. Looks like it's about to activate for that 1961 in a few minutes. My alert will go off, so I will hear it. It's my joint right there. Let's look at NZD CAD. What are you going to do at the bell, NZD CAD? Buy, sell, buy. I told you it's going to that 2618, but I don't know how much higher NZD CAD is going to go. It already closed the top of this doji. It got to close the bottom now. So, not looking for it to go too much higher, but we shall see.
What were those numbers for gold again?
61 to 62. Oh, shoot. Is that Miss Miranda?
Yes, good morning.
What up with it? Dr. L.A. Payne, are you on the call? Oh my God. Cool. Aisha. Hey, what's up, Aisha? Chris, what's up with it?
Come on in.
Let's see. Who else we got on here that I didn't get to speak to? I already spoke to Dana. Dana always on the call. Blessings to you all, Mr. Harry King. Lorna. What's up, Mahogany? Michelle, I see ya. Wait, I, I, hold on. Let me fix my lips to say this name. Isaiah? Isaiah. Brother Isaiah is on the call.
Hello, 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 hello.
Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
good morning. How are you?
All right.
Is that Mr. Mountain too?
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Oh my God. Mr. Mountain Dew.
Mr. Mountain Dew?
Ralph, Ralph.
Do what it do.
I see my boy Ralph on the call this morning. All right. I got an alert set. Let me see how bad it's off this morning. Let's see. 458. About 15 off today from here. So we got that was 450 for US 30, 450 to 440 for the sale. Cool. Okay. Let's see who else I missed. What's up, Reggie? I see you out there. Miss Wanda. I think I spoke to you already. All right, so we got 7 minutes to the bell. Price is just doing nothing. It's kind of doing what it did yesterday. It's consolidating for the bell. Um, I do have US there. What did that candle end up being? It was a buy candle. Okay. And what was this candle? A sell candle. And what was this candle? So we have two sales and a buy. Very interesting. Um, Let me see what the higher time frame looks like on US 30. Hmm, interesting. Wow, that's very interesting. So you have one for US 30. I think I want to give the buy side two because there is a doji right here that US 30 needs to close out. What chart am I on? The 1 hour? Let me go to the 1 hour. Is that a real doji? Oh. That's not a doji. It's just a big old fat candle. It's a Hikanachi doji, but it's a regular candle. So, eh, I'll wait on that. Let me look at some regular candles real quick to see where the dojis are. So we got a doji here. We got one doji right here. I'll just use the trend line to mark it. We got this one right here. Okay. We have a doji here. And those are the two. So that's the 1 hour. Let me look at it on the 1 minute and see where that is in correlation to where we are now. Oh, wow. So I need to mark that for real. Hold on. Let me mark it this way. I'll mark it this way so I can see them. Okay. So now I got an idea of where price could go on the sales side. Plus the Fibonacci just dropped. So we may very well get that sale money. Yep, and it Fibonacci just popped and went up. But I do have my finger set up also. So I'm looking for, I mean, price is going to go both ways because we got several factors. We got a flat. So look, guys, let me show you something. We got a lot of different things where price needs to take care of things. We got two flat bottoms right here. Well, guess what? We have two flat tops right here. So price does need to go both ways, regardless. Price is going to have to go both ways. So a buy for US 30 is going to be, what is this right here? That's 450. So it's really, what are my numbers off? 440. I'm at four. How bad is this off? 444. So it's 20. Actually, it's 20 off. So 450, there'd be 470. Okay. Let's see. 470. Okay. So that's 470 right there. Mm. All right. Hold on. How much time I got? 3 minutes. Huh. Let me look at some stuff here. Not really feeling all of this yet. I know it's gonna go both ways, but golly. Huh. Interesting. All right, we cool. We cool right now. I'm cool right now on. All right, so US 30 is headed. Okay, so we headed down for that 450. We're about almost there. I set that alert because it's off a little bit from trading view. Let me go to back to Hikanachi candles too real quick. So the numbers are off, but I do have it set um on my other computer, on my other screen. So let me see what we're gonna get. Manage that. We got 2 minutes to the bell. Any questions so far? Oh, I use FX Choice and KOT. I'm not trading in my Hugo's Way account today. I'm only trading in KOT. No, actually, I'm only trading in FX today. All right, Wanda, I see you boarding your plane. Reggie, I see you out there. Okay. Let me look at NAS for Auntie Shirley. Yeah, so I need an alert set here for NAS. We're about to get some bail action, guys. We got we have all of 34 seconds to opening bell. For that, I'm going to. Oh, we already hit 450 to 440 just hit. That was nice. All right, so we just hit on US 30, 450 to 440. All right, opening bell is in 15 seconds. Okay. Wow, you see that? And that's crazy. So it dipped, went. I think it's gonna come back and do it again. Opening bell. Ding, 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 ding. Now it's opening bell. All right. There's that shoot up on US 30. I'm cool on it. It's going all over the place. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm real cool. US 30. There we go. I like I said, I think US 30 wants to go to right at the 900. You see what it did? It literally dipped down, hit that all the MAs, and then ran up for the buy. Gold is chilling. So I'm not calling anything yet. I need the market to give me some more settle down. I will say 450 to 440 again, though. I will say that. I will give that one 450 to 440 again. Let me see. Where is that mark? Okay, it's under here, so it's about right here. So that's down here. Let me add the alert. Like it's volatile, man. Good night. This thing is volatile. So let's see which way does this have it going fully. Oh, okay. Yeah, still got to buy up to hit this doji right here. So I will give a buy. See 34,557 on here. What chart is this? That's the 1 hour. All right. So a buy on US 30 is going to be 520 to 530. 520 to 530 US 30. It's nearing the area. It's at 500. uh, uh, yeah. I need to get rid of some of these alerts though, so I can put alerts on my thing. I can't put no more alerts on here, man. You told me I got too many. It's okay. I got a trick for it. Hush up. We are in. We activated on the US 30. Nope, not yet. I didn't activate 520. Anybody's 520 activate? Mine didn't activate. Talk to me, people. I don't know what's going on if you ain't saying a word. You muted.
My US.
Ooh, you're breaking up. Type it in the chat. It broke up too bad. Oh, mine is not. Okay. Okay, good. No nobody. And then gold is coming down. I like it. 15. Okay, gold is coming down. That's good. I need to know when US 30 gets up this way. I'll set an alert right here for when it crosses this threshold.
What were you calling for gold? I didn't hear. If you called a sell, I didn't hear it.
That was 1954 to 53, but I got another one before we get there. So we're gonna take we're gonna take 19. Let me see why. Let me give reasons why. Hold on, I can't just call stuff out of thin air. Just now.
Because we we have Witton on the 61.
Which one?
I think what was it? He he won the 62.
Okay, that one got wicked in.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we still should be fine in that category. Let me see why. Let me go to this one right here so I can see more of it. 61. Oh, okay, yeah, it's got this doji's got to close right here. All right, got it. Got to close this one. So that's going to give us 61 to 62. Hmm. And then NZD CAD is going crazy. It's still buying. But I said it was going to the 2618 on the Fibonacci. That's exactly where it's going. Now, if it exceeds this level, then I'm gonna have to revisit some stuff because NZD CAD ain't no joke. So far, if you got wicked in, some of you did. What broker is that, Dr. Cristal? Okay. Yep. The numbers are always off a little bit. KOT, I think, is slightly ahead of anything I call from FX Choice. So I got to look at that when I go back and look at my KOT account. All right. So while we're waiting on price action, oh, I like what US 30 is doing too. US 30 is coming right back down again. Hold on. Let's see what it's doing. All right. So get that 450 to 440 ready for US 30. Get that one ready just in case because it looks like it wants to just create this arch, come down and close this doji and pay you. That's what it looks like. But it's a matter of when. It's not a if, it's a when. NZD CAD just hit that 2618 on the fib. So let's see where it's going. Oh, it's just in the sky. It's just having fun. NZD CAD is going. Let me see what the strength is now on it. I'm sure the strength has changed. NZD CAD, where you at? Yep, it's 72 again. So that's a very strong, very strong buy on NZD CAD just with levels alone. I'm seeing where it's going though. Man, it's just going on its own. Wait a minute. Look at the high. Okay, here we go. Are you really trying to go there? Oh my goodness gracious. You really want to go there? Look. NZD CAD. Are you coming here? It's 84. Oh, wait. Let's mark that. 84 450. 84 450. Hmm. 84 450. Wow. Break a structure candle. This was my so what do we have on NZD CAD? You know, we had this engulfing bullish candle, and then after that, it opened above and it shot. And I believe it's going to go. Let me see what it looks like on here. I mean, it's over. Oh my gosh, it's way overbought. On the 1 hour, it's way overbought. Let's see what it look like on the 1 minute. It's barely overbought on the 1 minute. But if it does peak above that 2618, it will go to the three at 84 114. So I want some of that NZD CAD. I'm gonna take it to 84. You can take 5 on NZD CAD for a buy. 84. Give me 10 seconds. Hold on. Don't do it yet if you haven't. Let me get 10 seconds out the deal. I want to see what this next candle is going to do. One, was that 450 to 440? That's on your broker. Yeah, that's on your broker. Mine ain't even, I ain't even got the 450 yet, but good. Good. I'm looking for price to open above this. So when price opens above the 2618, then I'll say, let's roll. Just waiting on price. Waiting on price action. And then you're going to catch 5 on NZD CAD. All right. Almost ready. Come on. Catch 5. All right, let me look at Wolf Rush real quick. I like looking at Wolf Rush for currency pairs. Oh yeah, you can take 5. Take 5 on NZD CAD. All right, you're gonna go from 84.001 to 84.06. 01 to 06 NZD CAD. That's if you want that one or not. Because everything on Wolf Rush is screaming, minus the 1 minute chart. Everything else is screaming, buy me, buy me. But the 1 minute chart is doing pullback. 3 minute chart, good. 5 minute chart, extra good. Is that a gap? Oh, NZDK got to come back and close that, buddy. So I got it going to 84.06 for now. Okay, 84.06 NZDK right there. Now I got it going to 84.14. So for those of you who have the account to hold, you can take it 5 more after that. If you don't have the account to hold, don't play with that. But yeah, I see it going here based on Wolf Rush.
Yep. Yeah, I was gonna say turn the music down just a little so we can hear you.
See, I did the music check this morning. I haven't changed a thing. Hold on.
Sometimes it just be a phone.
Yeah. All right. I got something else though. I got something else. Let me go to my jam real quick. Just saw it. There it is. All right. Now let me look at NZD CAD. I thought I marked that already. What happened to the line I marked? Wasn't that NZD CAD? Didn't I just mark this? What the heck? 84.06 right there. Okay. Don't even make me think I'm crazy. All right. Everything is kind of like coming to a slowdown. It's almost, y'all know what happens. It's like this slow down all the way up to 10 o'clock. So we're going to get like a little bit of back and forth moving, but nothing to write home about. And after this, guys, that's it. I mean, after we get this gold out the way, US 30, you got a pending order of 520 to 530. You got a 450 to 440. Someone said it hit for them. Um, and we got what's that? NCD in CAD, and that was 8084 8401 to 406. Okay. And that's based on levels, Wolf Rush, all these jokes. Oh, that's why I did. I did it on Wolf Rush, not on levels. Okay. I did mark it on Wolf Rush. Okay. I was like, man, make me think I'm crazy. And see how gold is playing in this zone? Gold has not left out of the zone yet between 56 and 61. It hasn't left out of that zone. It's just right there. Like I can't even give a 1 point. It ain't even moving a whole point. It's just chilling. So US 30 right now is the only one that's like doing anything. So that 450 to 440 is coming back around again. That's a zone. So we'll at least make, 30, 40 points off of that one from it moving so much. Huh? Waiting on
It
go.
was it unmuted by mistake.
Oh. All right, let me look at let me go back here and look at US 30 one more again. And then NAS, what did NAS do? NAS ain't done nothing yet. So NAS ain't even came down yet. 15. It looked like, oh, NAS don't want to come down yet. Okay, it ain't ready to come down. NAS is actually going up here. 15, 516. So NAS is about to blast up. So I don't think NAS and US 30 are doing the same thing anymore. They were friends a long time ago, but they're not partners like they used to be. I used to be able to look at NAS and US 30 and say whatever it's doing, the other one's doing. But now they do their own thing, literally. All right, NZD CAD, gold. Gold got some moves to finish. So I'm just waiting on gold. Oh my gosh. Waiting on gold. Finish out this move for this buy. And then I'm banking on it doing some selling. Let me see if Wolf still has that one listed as uh what the banks did. Let's see what happened. Nope, still saying, oh, there we go. There's a little dot. Nothing. That's the 15-minute. Let's look at the 1 hour. Oh, the banks came in twice here. Okay, on the 1 hour. 1 minute. So it's out of that little shaded area. The little triangle popped up. See what it's gonna do. It's crazy that it does this though, in my opinion, that it moves in the way that it does. Hold on. Hold up. There it is. This is the one I like. Come on. This the one I like right here. Hip hop. All right. So so gold is pulling back. How long is that gonna be for? Let me look at this because on here I got it marked perfectly. Oh, it's still in the same zone. So mm, nothing yet. US 30, however, is attempting to come down. Uh, mm, nothing. We're just gonna rock with we're gonna rock with the pending orders, guys. I got so let me make sure I'm tracking everything. 1961 and 62 activated for some, not for all. Make sure you use proper risk management on that, guys. But I do see it coming back to finish what it started. Okay, you can't leave that. It just does not do it. It does not leave those dojis just hanging out there. That's crude oil. Wrong one. Oh, and if you remember what I said about crude oil, it was going like way up there. Hold on, this is the wrong one to show you. If anybody's hung in crude oil and GU, okay, GU got to come down soon. NAS, you still trying to go high? Okay, got it. Let's see what crude did. If it bought up, in fact, like I said, it was going to do beyond 75. Well, look at there. Crude oil bought up beyond 75. And I still got it going.
76, 77.
Yep. The next one is 76.33. It's got a doji.
Still riding.
All right. Yep, that one is real nice. See this right here, it's got to push up, but it's got to pull back in order to get up there. So the next level is 76.33 for crude oil. NZD CAD. It's pulling back. Let me look at it on here. NZD CAD is pulling back. Gold is, nah, it looks like it's doing more than what it is. NZD CAD, let's look at it. NZD CAD. Oh, that's that black one. What happens when that black one comes on?
Stay away.
Well, all right. But that's on one time frame. I mean, it still has to accomplish this mission here on NZD CAD. Yep, it still got to accomplish that. So yeah, that's a zone. It's a heavy zone too. So not worried about that one either. Look at where is gold. And then let's look at gold one more time here. Nothing. Uh, so what we're gonna do, because I'm waiting till like I got 8 more minutes, then we off. We started at 8:30 this morning, so I'm ready to go. I am ready. I'm tired already. This is a slow Thursday though. When y'all agree, this is like a slow Thursday, man. What's up?
Yeah, it's kind of slow.
I mean, but you think, normally when I see this pop up right there, when I see that, the market normally go crazy.
Yeah, but lately it hasn't.
Yeah, it traded places. The CPI did it yesterday. CPI made the market really move. The PPI normally moves harder than the CPI. Like if you look at June, I think it was June 16th. Let me see what was the last report date. June 14th. If you go back and look at June 14th, look how the market moved on PPI. That's July. That's all July. Go back. Right here. Look at this. This was the PPI report right here. All this was PPI. And then this happened the day after. Today,
Okay.
look at this. Nothing. Look at this. That's it. That's all. Really? That's as far as you're gonna move. Really? I'm highly disappointed, guys. Highly disappointed. Oh my God. So I wanted more movement today. Oh my God. But one thing now, all right, let's do some teaching since I got time and then I'm done. So I want you to look at what this thing is right here. Anybody know what this green box symbolizes? Anybody?
That's your supply zone?
Yes. Come on with it. And as long as price is residing in my supply zone, I'm good. The moment it breaks out, opens and closes below my supply zone, or breaks out and opens and closes above my supply zone, then I can see direction of travel. Right now, it's just hanging out. So everything that I gave, like 1961 and 62, It's in the zone. So as long as it's in the zone, we're good. Notice how price keeps going back and forth between 59 something and 58 something. It really ain't doing a lot of movement. Um, so I would not worry about that trade unless it goes, unless it fully just breaks out of there. Then I still wouldn't worry about it because I'm using PRM, right? Nothing to worry about. Then you just take the trade that's against the trade and make your money in the direction that the market is moving. That is exactly how you do it. That way you don't stress over, a loss and you got more of a gain than a loss. Right now we have hit on US 30 twice, gold twice. So gold twice, US 30 twice. Um, I think NZD CAD might be ready. I can't tell yet. Hold on, NZD CAD. Nope, it still ain't ready. Golly. And where's that doji that they got to close? What chart was that? That's where I looked at 15-minute chart. Wait a minute. Hmm. There was a doji that I could have sworn that I found on NZD CAD that told me why it was going to continue to move. I don't like that. Oh, okay. Okay, got it. It was on the 4-hour chart. Right there. Ah, okay. Got it. Consolidation. We still have this candle right here for the top at 84,451. Okay. All right, we good. So I'm good with the buy and the sell on NZD CAD because I believe once it peaks out, it's going to do exactly what it did here. After it came and did some moves, then it dropped like crazy. I think we're in that same momentum right now. It's buying up, buying up, buying up. It's going to hit its mark, and then it's going to drop like crazy. That's what I believe is going to happen for NZD CAD. So just keep your eyes open for that one. Gold. See, gold. I believe gold is going to complete this whole arch at 1933, like for real. I believe gold is going to come and wreck shop down here once it finishes its buying movement. Let me save right there so I can all this chart mark up. Nope, I just want to save it just as it is. Oh man, it's gonna make me name it. It says gold markup. So I do believe it's going to do that. I did drop a head and shoulders pattern on gold based on the higher time frame, such as the day chart. There is a head and shoulders pattern ready to form. When you look at it like this, you can see a huge head and shoulders here. Um, so yeah, I believe that once it finishes this buy move, closes out this gray shaded area, which is no, I don't know if it's gonna go that high. That's at 1967, but it can. Once it finishes all of that, I believe gold is going to come down just like the banks were predicting, even though it didn't move and it had three different black dots on it, or squares. And based on levels, crude oil still running. Oh, that was Brent crude. There we go. Crude oil still running. Um, so yeah, gold hasn't even hit my alerts anywhere. It's doing nothing, guys. So we ain't forcing it. I got 1 minute, and let's see what happens at 10 o'clock. If nothing, you got your pending orders. You got one more. You got a zone 450 to 440 for US 30. I'm gonna mark that as a Z. You have 520 to 530 for US 30 once it buys up. And nobody's activated, right? 520 to 530 shouldn't have activated. You have gold 1961 to 62. that are active for some. You also have gold 1954 to 53. You have NZD CAD 57 to 45. I think that's right. And then you have NZD CAD 8401 to 06. So those are all the outstanding orders. I think two are open and the rest have hit. So very, very slow morning, 400 pips. Uh, Slow morning, but 400 is better than none. So hopefully you guys got something out of today's call. You learned a little bit about engulfing. You learned about the lady in the dress. You got to see when you mark up your chart where price action can go and how long you can actually stay in the trade based on your markup, right? Even if you didn't mark it up, you can basically see what the market looks like from a larger snapshot. So you mark up your trend line, see where the trend is going, and then it broke the trend right here. Trend was broken for the down, trend was reestablished for a buy here, and then trend looks like it wants to go back like that. So basically we had this, if you will allow me to illustrate. We had a bing, 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 ricocheted rabbit, which in turn turns into, y'all ready? Oh, y'all ain't ready for this. Which in turn turns into it turns into a, what is this? What is this pattern?
Head and shoulders.
It turns into a head and shoulders pattern. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking for price to do. I'm looking for price to play and finish out the actual head and shoulders pattern, and um, pay you your buy, but also go down and pay you your sales. So that is my time. That's all I'm gonna give. Oh my God, I am tired already. I'm tired, boss. No, I'm not tired. I'm okay. I've been eating some melon. Um, so yeah, you guys be blessed. Have a beautiful one, and